welcome back to another video. Now today is a hard day. It is like day 10 or 12 of self-isolation. If you are feeling the craziness and all that stuff, you are not alone. And today I'm going to be doing a minimalize and declutter my closet. And hopefully I can get through this with this little guy being a terror as well. He is already trying to get into the drawers, and I see you. I think with me talking and moving things around, he'll be a lot closer with me. So come join me, get things organized, minimalize everything. At the end of the day, you want to just live your best life and be happy. So this is going to be something that's going to make me happy. So I'm going to take you along with me. So here's Jackson trying to kick me out of my closet. Can I get in here, please? So I did a declutter with me not too long ago, but as you can see, it has quickly been cluttered. So all these bags are actually for donation. I just honestly haven't had a chance to go drop it off. So that's maybe something I'll do sometime this week and literally just drop it off at a door. These storage bins are gonna stay here with that chair, and then everything on the top is gonna stay. That's all Clark stuff. But like I literally have so many clothes that Clark's clothes go up there. And then also these drawers, like they're just insanely full. And I was pretty sure I have like 5 black pants and things like that. So let's get to it. Perfect. Okay, let's start with my hanging clothes. Hi, Jackson. Jackson's down on my legs. You wanna say hi? Say hello. Hello. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is just ask myself, do I wear this? When was the last time I wore it? If I haven't worn it, it's out of here. Now keep in mind, I am on maternity leave. So like the more like dressier things, I'm gonna be really questioning because I obviously haven't worn it in the last 10 months since I'm not gonna wear. I don't know if this is gonna go well. These are all the long sleeves I've been wearing pretty much since I've given birth. And as you can tell, they're all pretty much the same color. So let's try to limit what we have here. Okay, take 2. Jackson is down for his nap. Let's try this again. So I've already gotten rid of 2 sweaters. They're actually from my mom. She was getting rid of them. So like I don't feel bad, I guess. They're the exact same. They're just kind of long for me. I am quite short, so it's just not gonna work. But someone else will enjoy it. And then also this sweater, I love this sweater, but I like the design of the sweater, but on me, it's just doesn't flatter me. The sleeves are way too long. Yeah, like I have other shirts that are exactly like this, but fit me better, so goodbye. This t-shirt, I mean, it's from Zara. My sister will like it. It's just, it's not me anymore, you know? So bye-bye. I think I've only worn it once. Goodbye. I always say I keep this for something. got rid of a good amount, or like a decent amount, but not a lot. But my focus is really going to be in here. This is where all the secrets go, and they need to be released. Like I can't even. All right, so I'm just gonna show you. I got a whole bunch of jeans and some sweaters. Let's see what I can remove from here. So I got rid of 1, 2, 3 pairs of jeans. This is just like, it's like big. When I was a little bit bigger. This one, I didn't understand this. And this, oh, you know when like Rihanna had those jeans with all the holes in the leg? Yeah, so I've obviously made these holes way too big and they're just like not my style anymore. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of jeans, which I think is really good. And I feel like I have a lot of variety in my blue denim. A little bit better. Jeans, sweaters, and like more cash sweaters. All right, next one. This is the scary one. I don't even know what this is. This is... I'm also like kind of sick and tired of like cheap clothing, you know, like there are things I like from Forever, H&M, Old Navy. I shouldn't say cheap, like fast fashion. But then when I look at something like this, like, oh, like why? I think we're gonna get rid of the mustard. Okay, so sorry, my nose. So much better. Like everything, you can see it all. It's just way better. But oh, so much better. And it closes. Okay, last drawer, guys. The athletic drawer. Alrighty, I had to empty my memory card. So I am finished. Not a huge difference on the closet side, but the drawers, oh my god, are amazing. So just to give you an overview, this is what it looks like. Pretty much the same, but this is the special one. So my athletic drawer, oh my god, like you can see every single piece. I am so excited. I got rid of quite a few. What did I get rid of? Quite a few pants, actually. And you know what? I have more in the laundry, so that'll add up. And then for the bras, I think I keep them all, and then as I go, just see where I'm at, because I am fluctuating. This one here, all my pants. Jackson already opened it and tried to tail like that out. He's playing with an electric fan. But again, I did like a KonMari method. I don't exactly know, but it's just all like folded like this so you can see everything. Shorts, couple leggings, my everyday pants, skirts, and like flowy pants. On the bottom here, be careful. Oh, I'm so excited. All my jeans. So these are all the jeans I own. They just take up that section, and then everything else is like workout sweaters, casual, like dressier sweaters, and then I need to keep this for a wedding, but like so much better and easier. And guys, look how much clothes I got rid of. Like, it's insane. It's insane. Like, it's a lot of stuff. And you know what? I'm really happy. Like, I cannot believe that all of that was in this closet, and majority of it were in these 3 shelves. So my only problem is what I do with it now. You really like that fan, hey? It's refreshing. Because a lot of thrift stores are closed and not obviously accepting donations for obvious reasons. So yeah, but thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys are using your time the best way possible. Stay happy, stay sane, and I will see you next time. Bye.